SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to decrease font size on iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If the font size on your iPhone is currently a little larger than you would like it to be, then you have an option to reduce it to something smaller. You can decrease the font size on your iPhone by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the Display and Brightness option, and then you can choose the text size option from this menu. Now you just need to find this slider at the bottom of the screen for the text size and take note of the sample text that appears up here, as that's going to change as you adjust the size of your text. So if you drag this slider to the left, that's going to make the text smaller, and you can drag it all the way to the left to make it very small. Just mess around with this a little bit until you find the text size that you're happy with, and then you can go back and you'll see that the text size in your various apps has been updated to the size that you just selected.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.